Alright guys, so what are we getting into today? Does this car look familiar? Because this is the old Infiniti that we originally were planning to work on. But my uncle, he's been bugging me for the longest to buy the car back. And so he has it back, and today we are working on the headlights. Originally we bought these headlights. Those are the stock ones, but we bought, where are they at? We bought this one. It's a single halo headlight we found at Pickable for $40, but unfortunately we are not able to install it because we didn't bring the harness with us. We weren't trying to get charged extra for the harness, so we left the harness alone thinking that the stock harness and everything would fit. But now that we're trying to get the other headlights switched out, come to find out that that we need the harness. So now what I'm working on is getting the stock headlight fixed. As you can see, there's a crack on here. What happened was there's water that leaked in here, which we think because the ballast was out. We think this is what is the problem. The ballast is out because of the water damage that happened. So we're switching them out. So I guess the good thing is that we did find some HID ballasts for the headlights, we're hoping that these are good and ready to use. So we got those. I mean, we only got the headlights for $40. So $40 for two HID ballasts is a good price, because for one, I believe it's like $100 some OEM, it may be even more. But I got one headlight. Man, look at my face, it's dirty from working on the car. But I got one headlight in the oven right now. I'm about to let that sit in there for like 8 to 10 minutes to get the glue off. That way we can swap it to the stock headlight that we have. I went ahead and restored the driver's side headlight, which is good, the OEM stock one. And this is how it came out. It originally looked just like this. And then I also did this one. This is the ones that we got at Pick and Pull. I went ahead and restored that one just to test it out. I bought this this drill from Amazon. I bought it probably like a year ago and never used it. So I figured I'd go ahead and put it to use and try it out with the Chemical Guys headlight restorer. And just with one pass thoroughly around the headlight, that thing cleared it up and made it look brand new. I mean, this is the results you get. This is the results I got. And check these out. They're like almost new. So, you know, I bought a little kit from Chemical Guys to try out some of the products that they have. I got the glass cleaner. I got the headlight restorer. I've also got the butter wet wax, the Hyper Coat protective dressing. It came with a brand new thing of hand sanitizer, the sticky citrus wool cleaner, and of course the snow foam and watermelon. So I'm just testing out the product, see how they go. As far as with the Corvette, my homie's gonna come by and detail the inside of it. As soon as I get that quarter panel replaced, hopefully I can find the same one in magnetic red, and then we can go ahead and do the paint too. So I got one headlight in the oven. That's the aftermarket one that we got from Pick and Pull. And then I'm gonna throw this thing in. This thing is filled with, well, it was at least filled with water. There's a crack right there, if you guys can see that. So this one's gonna go in next. My uncle went to O'Reilly to go buy some of the glue so that we can re-glue these and get these back installed. So if you guys are interested in seeing this, stay and watch the video. I'll show you guys how we are going to change the lens on these. First time, never done it, so I figured give it a try. Hopefully everything goes as planned, and we're able to get the ballast fixed because the passenger side headlight was out. Again, we're thinking it's a passenger headlight HID ballast, which we got a replacement for. I'm changing out the ballast. Oops. Ooh, I need to screw the ballast. And yeah, the harness. I don't want to use the harness that's was corroded with water and stuff like that. So we got an extra one, and we're gonna go ahead and use that. And I know I gotta go find this dang screw. got the new one out. This is the one that we're gonna use. It's not cracked or anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this thing a nice clean. Take off all the excess glue that's around there because we are gonna be putting in new glue. I'm gonna use the hair blow dryer. Hopefully my lady doesn't get mad because I don't have a heat gun. I had a heat gun. I don't remember where I put it at or who has it, but I'm gonna use a hair dryer and clean up all this excess glue that we have, so that way when we go to put on a new one, it's all nice and clean and ready to go. So I'm gonna get the glue off of this, clean up the lens a little bit. I'm gonna buff it out, restore it, and I'm gonna show you guys the results after I'm done with this. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Yeah, well, this is ready to go. Hopefully everything fits perfectly fine and we're able to use this thing. All right, the headlight's all done, ready to go. Now, let's test this thing out. Cover your eyes. And boom! We got light. So I used the OEM headlight, the backside of it, and swapped it out with the aftermarket lens. I had to work some magic to make it fit, but we got it in. No more cracked headlights, so hopefully this thing is sealed and we got no more water leaks in it. I also went ahead and turn this off. Cleaned up the passenger side as well. So now I got some fresh headlights on the Infinity. I don't know why I never did this when I had the car. When I had the car, this thing was yellow, but we got it fixed right before it got dark. So this guy is ready to head home and drive safely. And this guy's happy now. Got his headlights fixed and everything. Peace. Hey guys, so that's gonna wrap up for today's video. I gotta get this garage clean. It is a mess. I'm about to take the missus. We're gonna go get something to eat because she's hungry. She just got off of work. So if you stayed and watched throughout the whole video, thank you so much again. Thank you for the continuous support, the subscriptions. We gained another 2 more subscribers. So thank you again for all that. I'm trying to stay consistent and push out more content with you. So anytime I get a chance to upload a video, believe me, I'm gonna take advantage of that time so I can push out more content for you. So again, thank you for the support. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.